Taken a major step in the fight against HIV and AIDS with the launch of a new long-acting prevention option that will protect people from infections. The Ministry of Health has officially introduced Lenacapavir, a long-acting injectable form of HIV pre-exposure prophylaxis, commonly known as PrEP. The launch marks the first phase of the nationwide rollout aimed at strengthening prevention efforts and accelerating progress towards ending the HIV epidemic. Agutu Rosa with more.
Unlike daily oral PrEP, Lenacapavir is administered just twice a year. Health experts say this could be a game changer for individuals who face challenges while taking daily pills, offering a more convenient and discreet prevention method. Lenacapavir has undergone extensive clinical trials where it demonstrated high effectiveness in preventing HIV infection. Following these studies, Kenya received approval from the United States Food and Drug Administration in June 2025, confirming its safety and suitability for use.
Yes, what you are launching here today, what you have enabled and led this country boldly to adapt early and become the first regional state to have actually Lenacapavir available for its populations of high-risk people is extremely important, not only in terms of numbers, but in terms of saving lives.
Prevention is strongest when people have choices. Some may prefer daily medication. Others may choose this long-acting option. Our role as government is to expand access and empower individuals to make informed decisions about their health.
By the time a product is discovered, gets approval, and gets to this part of the country, it usually takes between 5 and 10 years. We are here celebrating that within 7 months, we already have the product in the country, and our citizens are able to get this injection.
Public health experts say long-acting prevention could help reach populations that remain at higher risk of HIV infection, including those who struggle with adherence to daily medication, face stigma, or have limited access to regular healthcare services.
This is godsend. Plus, we know that there are some statistics that are showing about the spikes in HIV cases. We would like us as youth to be on the forefront to fight this so that we don't know about the future.
Health authorities say the introduction of Lenacapavir is not a replacement for existing prevention methods, but an addition to a broader toolbox that includes testing, treatment, condoms, and oral PrEP. Agutu Rosa, KTN.
Coming up, we tell you more on Nairobi launching a market charm offensive aimed directly at the heart of Europe. Stay tuned.
Grand Festival